Hello, good morning. 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 Hi, good morning, guys. I don't know what can you guys want to see this video, no, but alright, I make this video in the morning time. That's the reason I said morning. Morning. Alright, guys, as all you can see now, right? Only Trinity over here, right? Maybe I don't know if you guys can see properly and look my shirt, my new one. It's a new shirt that I get. Alright, let's go over, right? Let's go over. So alright, so you can see, right? I have this thing is stacked right here, but that's not a beer. I wish to be a beer. That is a cup, right? Papi, I can drink my water. All you can see, like, look. Papi, beautiful thing. Everything beauty come to Trinidad from Trinidad. So, Kelvin, who give you that t-shirt? What does that mean? Alright. That's all you can see right here now. Top 5 reason why a Ruthie better than a woman. Yes, boy, as a woman, Ruthie is better than a woman. Let me tell you why. Right? You can see right here now. The love of a Ruthie will not cost you a house. Simple like that. No? You eat and that's it. Right? A Ruthie will not tell anyone you eat it. Right? Yeah, because some woman say, hey, I eat that one. So love a Ruthie. You can't tell no anybody like you eat it. So the third one is you can share a routine with a friend. Exactly. Like a we all problem, right? Hey, come on now. Take a bite right here now. I share my routine with you. We all problem, Solia. Alright, 4. Right? You can follow routine in any position and still enjoy it. There's no matter what position you fall in, that will be enjoyed it too. You can enjoy it, you will enjoy it for sure. 5-1. No, the number 5-1 is after after what? Let me see. Oh shit. My belly no help me at all now. After having a routine won't be a argue if you fall asleep. Exactly, so because after you when you eat a woman, say let me fall asleep. That's what you want. Da 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 da. You fall asleep now. Because you don't care, only care you say, well, all your mother can na buy. Ruthie, the 5 reasons. Top 5 reasons why Ruthie is better than woman, bro. Simple like that. Got it? Alright, follow me now. We keeping with this video now, right? Okay, guys. Again. All you see this one, right? All you give me 1 second there. I'll be back. Let me share my t-shirt now. I want you guys to see the other one here. Alright. I'm back again, right? I'm back again. So as I look and see right here, right? Let's see. My Trini food. Papi, whatever you can imagine, whatever passes in your mind about Trini food is right here. Papi, we have here pilau, roti, curry, cocktail soup. Papi, everything. I can read properly because I try to look in the mirror and try to see it. But I mean, you know. But look, let me show you close. And I don't know if you can see it. But papi, this is the best. The best sushi I ever get. I will ask all yourself. Where can we get all this thing from, Nabai? Alright. I'll come here and explain to you where I get this from. As I don't know if that's Friday past now, right? That was celebration of Indian arrival. And guess what? As an Indian, I get some present or your Calvin, you know, take some present here, bro. You Trinidad, right? Yes, I'm Trinidad Indian, bro. Maybe the music not like that, but Alamara. So first we start with this present right here, right? Cause my friend said, alright, Kelvin can put this thing in the car now. He loves Trinidad so much now. And look at that. Simple, papi. Indian arrived in Trinidad and Tobago. Alright. This. Papi, obviously I get some present. I said, you know what? Oh, you know, I love Trinidad so much and things now. But what I can get? So you can get a little like local snap now, right? So now I don't know if all you know about this thing right here. I'm pretty sure if you are Trini, right? You consider yourself as a Trini. So look at this one. Papi, tamarind bite na bay. Exactly, tamarind bite yung malakan. Olyo, let me tell you something, no? With this thing, when I say Maracan, it's with all due respect, no? As a Trini, that's we culture to say that, no? And I know how many people say, I'm Trini. And I don't say that so often, like, bye, girl, how? So next thing that we get out here, Bobby, son, is not only local. This only Trini. This is a Trini thing right here. Look. Ginger Kumar. Kumar is a last name, right? Kelvin Kumar. Well, anyways. Alright. Papi, all this thing. Tululun. All you know what is tululun? Alright. Tulun. I mean, it could be too long now. Because, I don't know, too long now. I don't know, right? Alright. Papa, look at that, golak. Papi, guava cheese. All you know this one? Guava cheese? All I have to see my fish now. I can miss no second. Looking at this pretty fish right here. Handsome fish now. Alright. Guava cheese. I get this one also too, right? We get some coconut. Papi, sorry, my family, about my pronunciation, right? I try to do my best now. Coconut, fish, food, no food. Alright, coconut thing now, right? So guys, all you say, Calvin, why you love Trinidad so much? Why you love Trinidad culture, all kind of thing? Papa, I don't know. But, I mean, it's in my veins, inside my body. All those kind of things now, boy. Obviously, I had to get some peanut. Papi, yeah, when you come from work, sit down, watch a movie, give a little snack, a little peanut and thing now, boy. And obviously, I had to get Cha-na-na-na-na-na, Cha-na-na-na-na-na, a whole channel right here, papi. That's the only thing I get. Obviously, Papa, Dixie. All you know about this one? That's a Dixie. It's a sandwich. I think that's the guava. I know that. Papa. And one thing, because I know there will be no fear if I get this thing right here, this little snack right here, my tortures, right? And I just only to put water. That makes sense? No. Do that make sense? No. Exactly. That don't make no sense. That is why, Solia, why you want to put it right there? Hey, look at that. Come na, boy. Party. Let's boss a line now, boy. Let's boss a line. Oh, let's see that. And I know. Too much Trini. Like over here now, in America, you say, this Moroccan so lucky. Where you get all this thing from? I begging, like I fighting. I wish to get some of those. Any of those is not good. That beer no stuck because I had to get stuck right here in America. But guess what? I got it. And but I mean, sit back now. I can't drink that so quick now. One day, no, papi, you have to enjoy it. I would like to open my fridge. I see nice. I open my fridge. I see three, like at the 6-pack of Stag right there, and I said, that's not my. I find my fridge is empty. No, when I see that 6-pack right there, I say, oh gosh, look at that, Nabai. Stag in the fridge, Nabai. Happiness to my soul. That's it. And guess what? Guess what, papi? Alright. Okay, look at this thing right here. Solia. Papa, I get. Look at this one here. Almost. Alright. Look. Let's see what is that, right? Papi, yes. Like normally that should be a people say, oh, there's a big bottle of water. But we train say, look, I got a fat man nabai. Fat man white toe. Exactly as a Trini. Look, listen. What we talking about? So guys, that was be everything. Um, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video now. And I really hope you guys share this video. I'm taking me 10 minutes of my life, right? To share you guys about my love with Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? So all you have a wonderful day, Maracana bye. Later. You heard? You heard? What the fuck? You hear me, right? You hear me? Ah boy, later. Later bye. Later bye na bye. Later.